morning, Mike Marcella, MS Classic Cars. Today, we're going to do a little water test. We had a customer request. They want to see if the cowl leaks. Understandable. So we're going to pour a gallon of water in each side, and we're going to open the doors and see if we have a lawn sprinkler. It should be pouring out on the ground by my feet.
Definitely pouring out at the ground.
Yeah, that's where it should be. Got one on this side, coming out pretty good. Nice. Mark Schillero's definitely not happy about getting it wet. Huh, Corey?
Yeah.
Mark?
Definitely not happy, but...
No, he doesn't like it. Not that worried about getting it wet. Mark's just very particular about the cars being clean.
This side sounds like it's hitting the ground too.
2 gallons, one on each side.
Let's open up the doors.
Corey, let's open them up. We did not test the head. This is great going for it. How are we looking, Corey?
It looks dry over here.
Oh yeah.
Dry over there.
Bone dry. Bone dry. Got my hands out. Nothing's dripping. Give it a few minutes. If anybody's looked at this restoration, I'm sure under that cowl's as nice as the rest of the car, but you never know. So we were asked to do it, and at MS Classic Cars, we make things happen, Corey.
That's how we roll, Mike.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean.
Beautiful, right?
Yeah, I don't feel anything.
Bone dry. And I did look this morning with my, I got a snap-on camera. I snaked it in there before we did it. It looks nice around both vents. You can see some sealer. It looks like paint was put in there at one time, so. Feeling good about it, Corey.
Yep, still looking good over here.
Yep. It's a nice car.
I'll come to this side
Very
just to show it.
Yep, go ahead.
Yeah, it's definitely looking dry.
Nice, right?
Yep.
Perfect. No lawn sprinklers coming out from under the dash.
Does it look good under there?
Yeah, nothing. I want to just double look up there too. Bone dry. Yeah, nothing. Not even a thought of even a drip or anything hanging around. Perfect. Perfect. I can see all the way around this vent. Nothing. Perfect.
All right. Think we're good?
Yeah, we're good.
All right, cool.